Have you ever wondered how billionaire Mark Cuban, owner of the Dallas Mavericks, spends his $4.2 billion net worth? Known for his sharp business acumen and larger-than-life persona, Cuban's spending habits are as intriguing as the man himself. Let's delve into the world of Mark Cuban and see how he splurges his billions. For starters, Cuban made a move that only a true maverick would. He stepped into the world of sports, purchasing the Dallas Mavericks for a whopping $285 million back in the year 2000. This wasn't just a casual purchase, it was a strategic move, a testament to his business acumen and his love for the game. This investment accounts for a significant chunk of his spending, demonstrating his willingness to think outside the box and take risks. But owning a basketball team is just a fraction of Cuban's expenditure, so where else does his money go? Like many billionaires, Cuban indulges in a luxurious lifestyle. His Dallas mansion, a stunning $19 million estate, is but a slice of his opulent life. Then there's his private jet, a sleek $40 million vessel that takes luxury to new heights. And let's not forget his yacht, a grand vessel worth an astounding $144 million. These aren't random splurges, but significant expenditures that underscore a life of luxury. Yet Cuban's spending isn't just about luxury, he's also big on investments. Cuban plays the investment game, and he plays it well. This billionaire has a keen eye for promising ventures, diversifying his portfolio across various sectors. He's not just about luxury and basketball, he's heavily invested in technology, entertainment, and even the food industry. A household name in the investment world, Cuban is a regular on the TV show Shark Tank, where he's known for his sharp business acumen and willingness to back innovative ideas. Cuban's spending habits reveal a mix of luxury, passion, and smart investments. So, how does Mark Cuban spend his wealth? Let's recap. He's the proud owner of a sports team, indulges in a luxurious lifestyle, and isn't shy about making smart, strategic investments. In conclusion, Mark Cuban's spending is a blend of luxury, passion, and strategic investments, making him a true maverick in the billionaire club.